Most chaos comes from unprocessed emotions. You don't need therapy every day, but you need intentionful check-ins. So stop for 3 minutes today to ask yourself, what am I feeling and why am I feeling what I'm feeling? Just 3 minutes of honesty can stop days at drift. So don't wait. Get more for yourself today because you owe it to yourself. Try it right now. Breathe in, feel, notice one emotion. No judging, just noticing. Self-awareness is the key to more. It's the power to become unbreakable because once you know what you feel and what does good to you, you can work with exactly this to get more for yourself. And that's exactly why I integrate nature in my coaching philosophy, because nature brings more energy to me, makes me calmer, helps me to feel alive. It's Sascha from Potenzial. Let's adventure together. Become unbreakable. See you soon.